In our individual mind, we can play tricks and get away with it. We can tell lies in a sweet-coated manner and get away with it. We can make mistakes and tell a lie in a sweet-coated manner. Oh my God, I was very nice, but I was new. But with the cosmic mind, the universe understands truth is truth, false is false. No sweet-coating. So if anybody tries to manipulate, he will find zup, all the faculties they close. Again, the sadhak is ready to do siddha healing. All is gone with the wind. So he'll have to start again. So be very humble. So even if you are going to give healing, but never start giving predictions or start giving, hey, there's a problem in your heart. Remember, as a thumb rule, because as you will be helping people, the people will develop faith in you. Generally, now a lot of people, they have faith in all Shiva yogis. So if you talk negative, oh, I see a problem in you. As the people have faith in you, they will believe, and their belief will be very strong. And the moment you declare you have this problem, he will not be able to come out of his problem. And he will not be able to come out of the problem because he has faith in you as a Shiva yogi. So if he is not been able to come out of his problem, then who is karmically responsible for it? Not he himself. The one who has spoken, he is responsible. Because he created that thought. So I will request you that the thumb rule of a Shiva Yoga therapist is that he will never talk negative about anybody. Anybody comes and say, I have a problem. Don't say, this problem, is because of this, because of your brother, because of your mother. You are strengthening his negative belief. So what you will be doing is, if somebody comes, I have a problem. So what as a Shiva yogi you must do is, smile and say, no problem.